Hi! We all know how convenient the top case can be, especially for commuting and daily riding. The Perun Moto top luggage rack for the CF-Moto 450MT is compatible with SW-Motech and Givi Monokey top cases, making it a versatile base for almost any setup. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step installation of the SW-Motech 38-liter Trax Adventure top case. Because the mounting hardware installs directly onto the rack, you get a cleaner fit and a lower center of gravity. For this job, you'll need the SW-Motech adapter kit for Adventure rack, which is sold separately, along with a 4mm hex key and a 10mm wrench. Start by positioning the 4 mounting pucks onto the rack. Make sure each puck sits neatly inside the large circular pocket before tightening the bolts. Avoid over-tightening, as the plastic covers can deform under too much pressure. Each puck should sit flush within its pocket. Next, install the sheet metal bracket at the rear of the rack. Use washers and safety nuts on the underside and tighten them by hand for now. The bracket should still be able to move slightly. Now, place the SW-Motech top case onto the rack and close the latch. This will allow the bracket to align into its proper position. Once it's seated correctly, remove the top case and tighten the 2 bolts. Finally, reinstall the top case and make sure everything clicks securely into place. Check that the box sits firm and stable. If there is any movement, slightly readjust the position of the metal bracket until the fit feels solid. Remember that the maximum load is 5 kg and it is intended for road use only. Because the top case sits slightly forward and at an angle, the passenger space is a bit tighter. This setup works best for daily rides or city trips, rather than for long two-up touring. That said, I have ridden with a pillion using this setup. We are both on a slimmer side and found it comfortable enough for shorter rides. Model in this video is 185 cm tall, or 6 foot 1. That's it, your SW-Motech Trax Adventure top case is now installed on the Perun Moto top luggage rack. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.